Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll talk about how to reduce the size of your image when exporting from Illustrator. So if you want to export an image from Illustrator, you need to go to File and then Save and then Export. And there are here a couple of options, like the quickest and the most effective option if you want to reduce the size of your image is Save for Web. And here we have the image, and at the bottom we can see we have 1.7. So it's 1.7 megabyte. And to reduce the size of it, we need to go here to the preset here, and we need to change the settings. So here we need to go to high, and after we went to high, we reduced the size of it to 483 kilobytes. So we can go also down to medium, and it's going to be around 230 kilobytes. You can also play here with quality to make it to produce the best result that you want or that you would like to have. So I had like some images for a website, and they want them always to be under 50 kilobytes. And it was really a challenge to reduce the size under 50 kilobytes. But here with this option, you can reduce it. So let's go to low. And with low, we have 144, but the quality sucks. So we need to go again down, so to 4%. And now we have around 190 kilobytes. Um, This is an option. If it's not work, if it doesn't work for you, you can also reduce the size of the artboard. So here we have full HD, which is 1920 and 1080. And to produce a small size or to get a small size, you need to reduce the size of the artboard. This is the other option. And if you don't want to reduce the size of your artboard, you need just to use the options that I just explored with you under Save for Web. And that's it for today. If you have any question, please leave a comment. I will try my best to help you.